singing like na 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 na. Every day's like my iPod stuck on replay. Replay. Remember the first time we met? You was at the mall with your friend. I was scared to approach ya, but then you came closer, hoping you would give me a chance. Who would have ever knew that we would ever be more than friends? But railroad white breaking all the rules. She like a song played again and again. That girl, like something of a poster. That girl is a dime they say. That girl is a gun to my holster. And she's running through my mind all day. Hey, Shawty's like a melody in my head that I can't keep out. Got me singing like na 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 na. Every day's like my iPod stuck on replay, replay. Shawty's like a melody in my head that I can't keep out. Got me singing like na 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 na. Every day's like my iPod stuck on replay, replay. See you been all around the globe. Now once did you leave my mind? We talk on the phone from night till the morning. Girl, it really changed my life. Doing things I never do. I'm in the kitchen cooking things she likes. Railroad white breaking all the rules. Someday I wanna make you my wife. That girl, like something of a poster. That girl is a dime they say. That girl is a gun to my.
What's up, guys? So we arrived at destination. See you in a bit. So what's up, guys? So we're in Sundance Lake. So I did drive my car all the way here. I hope I'll be able to get back there, but we will see later. So yeah, so here's the lake. I'll try to fly my drone set up there. I'll be fishing in the dock for now.
Your lipstick stains on the front lobe of my left side brains. I knew I wouldn't forget you, and so I went and let you blow my mind.
What's up, guys? So the drone flight. So yeah, already fly the drone. So I have the aerial view of the area. It's not a big lake, it's a small lake. So yeah, park here, and just highway is just up right there, and let's go down here. So yeah, so I was planning to do our setup here, so I'm gonna set it up right here, man. Right here. Okay. Oh, guys, bear with me, guys. Chair, girl chair, coffee cups, some coffee, and you can just.
They're not shining. Her hair falls perfectly without her trying. She's so beautiful, and I tell her every day. Yeah, I know, when I compliment her, she won't believe me. And it's so sad to think that she don't see what I see. But every time she asks me, do I look okay, I say, when I see your face, there's not a thing that I would change, 'cause you're amazing, just the way you are. And when you smile, the whole world stops and stares for a while, 'cause girl, you're amazing, just the way you are. Yeah.
Okay, guys, so yeah, sadly we didn't catch anything. Let's see. That's for today. So tomorrow morning I'll try to go to Mobile Lake. Okay, try that. Use my paddleboard, I guess. So I'm packing out. So if any one of you watching this is looking for this or best, just leave messenger comment, and I can drop you wherever you are. Hey guys.
Her lips, I could kiss them all day if she'd let me. Her laugh, she hates, but I think it's so sexy. She's so beautiful, and I tell her every day. Oh, you know, I never ask you to change. If perfect's what you're searching for, then just stay the same.